In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Google Analytics 4 tracking code. This process is essential for anyone looking to monitor their website's performance and gain insights into user interactions. We'll walk through each step to ensure you have a clear understanding of how to get this set up correctly. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Analytics website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Admin option. You'll typically find this option at the bottom left corner of your screen. Clicking on Admin will take you to a new page where you can manage your settings. On the Admin page, you'll see several options. What you're looking for is data streams. Click on it and it'll bring up a list of data streams that are available. These streams are essentially different sources of data that you can track. If you haven't set one up yet, you might need to create a new data stream before proceeding. Next, select the data stream you wish to use. By clicking on your data stream, you'll be directed to a detailed view where you can configure various settings. It's in this area that you'll find the Configure Tag Settings option. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you're going to see another Admin option. Even though we clicked on Admin earlier, this is a different section specifically related to your data stream settings. Click on Admin again. This will bring up additional options, including the one we need next. Look for the Install this Google Tag option. Selecting this will provide you with two installation methods. For those comfortable with coding, or those who have access to their website's code, you can choose Install manually. This approach involves copying a provided snippet of code and placing it on your website. Now it's time to copy the code. Google Analytics will present you with a block of code that you'll need to integrate into your site. Highlight this code and copy it to your clipboard. This is the tracking code that will relay data back to Google Analytics. The final step is to paste this code into your website's HTML. You'll want to insert it directly after the opening tag on every page you wish to track. Alternatively, if your website uses a content management system like WordPress, you can often find a place to enter this code in the theme's header settings. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully installed the Google Analytics 4 tracking code on your website. This will enable you to start collecting valuable data and insights about your visitors. Don't forget to check back in your Google Analytics dashboard to monitor the data as it comes in. Thank you for watching and happy analyzing.